Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the Product Metafield element. Product Metafield element is currently only available for Shopify. It is a mini element which shows a metafield information for a product on the page. In Shopify admin, in order to create a product metafield, we first need to go to Settings and under Custom Data, Products, we need to add a definition and the name. For example, I want to add material data to the product. The namespace and key, I can leave it as custom.material. And the type can be a single line text. And save. Go to the product. I can now set the material data. And save. Back to Zeno Page Builder. In order to use the Product Metafield element, I need first insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. Let me insert a Product Metafield element into the product and select the product to show. It looks like this. The Product Metafield will only show in live page. Let's walk through the options the Product Metafield element has to offer. First, we have product option that we can select the product to show. Then we need to enter the namespace and key of the metafield we want to show. I will copy the namespace and key here and paste into it. Save and publish the page. And you see it is showing correctly. A common use case for the Product Metafield element is to create multiple descriptions. For example, I will insert a tab element into the product. The first tab I will set it to description, and the second to be instruction. And I will just remove the third item. For the first tab, I will insert a product description element. And for the second tab, I will move the Product Metafield element inside. Like this. Let me save and publish the page. And you see it displays correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.